Hello! Today we're going to talk about Brazilian wax pain reduction tips for beginners. Have you been thinking about getting a Brazilian wax but you're a little bit nervous about the pain involved? Well, that is completely normal because everyone wants to know how they react when it comes to this very sensitive area. But there are things that you can do beforehand to help reduce any discomfort that you might experience during your first Brazilian wax. So let's get right into it. Exfoliate 24 hours before your waxing appointment. Exfoliating the skin allows the hair to be pulled from the root more easily. This helps reduce the chances of ingrown hairs, and it also helps to make the waxing process faster and less painful. You can exfoliate at home using a gentle scrub, or you can wait until you get to the salon and the esthetician will do it for you. Either way, just make sure to go easy on yourself, so that you won't cause any damage to the skin. A good rule of thumb is if it stings when you're doing it, then you're doing it too hard. And also, avoid any products with acids, because that can irritate the skin and make it harder for the wax to remove the hair. Avoid caffeine and alcohol on waxing day. Caffeine and alcohol are both stimulants, and they can make your body more sensitive. So it's best to avoid them on the day of your wax. Alcohol also thins the blood, and that makes it easier for the wax to pull out the hair. But if you have had a little bit too much to drink, then you won't feel the pain as much because you'll be more relaxed. But trust me, when you go in for your wax, the esthetician will be able to tell that you've had some drinks. And they won't be able to perform the wax because the skin needs to be intact and not too sensitive. Caffeine has a similar effect. It increases your heart rate and makes your body more alert. This can make the skin more sensitive and make it harder for the wax to remove the hair effectively. So it's best to skip the coffee on the day of your wax. If you really need your coffee, then just have one small cup and see how you feel. But sometimes people say that if they have caffeine on the day of their wax, then they tend to experience more pain. So it's really up to you and how your body reacts. Take a warm shower to relax your skin. Taking a warm shower before your wax can help relax the skin and open up your pores. This can make it easier for the wax to remove the hair. Plus, it's always nice to warm up before a big event. Warm water activates the sebaceous glands in the skin, which produces natural oils. These oils help lubricate the skin and soften the hair, making it easier for the wax to remove it all. The steam from the shower will also help to open up your pores, which can make the waxing process even smoother. Apply numbing cream 30 minutes before your waxing appointment. Applying a numbing cream to the area to be waxed 30 minutes prior to your appointment can help reduce pain and discomfort. You can purchase a numbing cream, like this one by Gold Bond. It's made specifically for waxing and sugaring. Make sure you test it on a smaller area of skin first to make sure that you're not allergic to it. Then apply a generous amount of cream to the area you would like to wax and wait 30 minutes before your appointment. This will give the cream enough time to numb the area and help you feel more comfortable during your wax. When applying the cream, you want to use a circular motion to rub it in so that it gets absorbed into the skin. Once it's fully absorbed, you can apply another layer on top. Be careful not to get any of the cream on the clothing because it can stain it. So it's best to wear something that you don't mind getting a little dirty. The cream should start to tingle as it numbs the area, and you should start feeling the effects within 30 minutes. Use hard wax. Hard wax is a type of wax that is specifically designed to reduce skin irritation and sensitivity. It adheres to the hair and not the skin, so it makes it easier to remove unwanted hair without causing any damage to the skin. This is especially helpful for those who have sensitive skin or have experienced irritation from other types of waxes. Additionally, hard wax is often infused with ingredients that can help soothe and calm the skin, making it an ideal choice for those looking to minimize pain and discomfort during the waxing process. So if you're new to waxing, then definitely try hard wax first because it's less likely to cause any problems. If you're looking for a wax that is gentler on the skin, choose hard wax over soft wax. For hard wax, a thin layer of wax is applied to the skin and allowed to cool down. Then it's removed in one swift motion against the direction of hair growth. If you have sensitive skin, then it's best to choose hard wax because it doesn't require any fabric strips to remove it, so there's less trauma to the skin. Also, hard wax tends to grab onto the hair more than soft wax, so it's more effective at removing unwanted hair. Wax in small sections to have more control over the process. To do this, divide the area into smaller sections and focus on one section at a time. By taking it slow, you can make sure that each section is properly waxed, and that any missed hairs are taken care of. This will also help to reduce any discomfort you may feel during the waxing process. Another benefit of taking small sections is that it will allow you to see exactly what is happening. This will help you relax and be more comfortable throughout the whole experience. Don't rush the process because it's important to take your time and do it right. If you're in a rush, then you're more likely to make mistakes and end up with a botch. So just relax and enjoy the process. It's supposed to be a self-care moment for you. Hold the skin taut while removing the wax. This will help to reduce the chances of the wax pulling on the skin and causing any damage. It also helps to make the waxing process faster and more efficient. To do this properly, you need to use your free hand to hold the skin taut while the wax is being removed. You can also ask your partner to help hold the skin taut. If you're having trouble doing it yourself, this can help to reduce any discomfort you may feel during the waxing process. And it will also help to make the wax last longer. Breathe deeply to stay relaxed. When you feel a sense of panic or anxiety, your body goes into fight or flight mode. This can make it difficult to relax and enjoy the waxing process. However, if you practice deep breathing exercises, you can help your body stay calm and relaxed throughout the whole experience. Deep breathing can also help to reduce any discomfort you may feel during the waxing process. To do this properly, you need to breathe in through your nose and out through your mouth. This will help to activate the parasympathetic nervous system, which is responsible for calming the body down. You can also try counting to 5 when you inhale and then breathe out slowly on the count of 5. This will help you stay calm and relaxed throughout the whole experience. Just remember to keep your eye on the prize. This will help you stay focused and on track. Don't wax during your period. Having a Brazilian wax during your period can be painful, but it's not dangerous. However, it's best to avoid waxing during your period if possible. During your period, the uterus lining sheds, causing cramping and pain. This can make it difficult to relax and enjoy the waxing process. The hormones that are released during your period can also make the skin more sensitive. This can make it more difficult for the wax to remove the hair effectively. Additionally, the menstrual blood can interfere with the waxing process, making it harder for the wax to adhere to the hair and skin. To avoid any issues, it's best to schedule your waxing appointment for a time when you're not on your period. Alternatively, you can still get a wax during your period, but just be prepared for a little extra pain and discomfort. Apply a cooling gel immediately after the wax. This will help to soothe the skin and reduce any inflammation or redness. It also helps to prevent ingrown hairs by calming the skin and reducing the appearance of pores. You can buy cooling gels online or at most beauty supply stores. They usually come in a tube and are applied directly to the skin. You can also make your own cooling gel at home using aloe vera or witch hazel. Just remember to test a small amount on your skin first to make sure that you're not allergic to it. And lastly, ChatGPT. ChatGPT is an AI chatbot that can answer your questions and help you with a variety of tasks. I am programmed to be informative and comprehensive. I can generate text, translate languages, write different kinds of creative content, and answer your questions in an informative way. I'm still under development, but I have learned to perform many kinds of tasks, and I'm always learning more. What can I help you with today? If you're looking for some more tips on how to reduce pain during your first Brazilian wax, then check out this video here. Thank you for watching.